Hello everyone and welcome to our review and comparison video of two popular air fryers. In this video, we will be discussing the features and benefits of these two air fryers to help you decide which one would be the best fit for you. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. The Chefman Compact Air Fryer is priced at $49, while the air fryer is priced at $122. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, the Chefman Air Fryer is the clear choice. The Chefman Air Fryer has a space-saving compact design, making it perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or offices. On the other hand, the air fryer has a sleek look with a larger basket capacity, which would be ideal for a family or larger servings. Both air fryers provide healthier cooking options. The Chefman Air Fryer claims to use 98% less oil than traditional fryers. The air fryer also provides a low-calorie cooking option for fried food by using rapid air circulation technology. The Chefman Air Fryer has a manual temperature control and a 60-minute integrated timer, which is great for cooking frozen veggies, chicken, or reheating yesterday's dessert. The air fryer has an adjustable dial range between 80 to 200 degrees, which allows you to easily cook a variety of meals, including vegetables, chips, chicken, and cake. The Chefman Air Fryer has a non-stick basket, and both the basket and tray are removable and top-rack dishwasher safe. The air fryer also has a detachable pull-out drawer and removable basket that only requires a simple hand wash to clean. Thank you for watching our comparison video of the Chefman Compact Air Fryer and Air Fryer. We hope this video has helped you decide which one to purchase. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews.